on target straight away. A little bit of swing for Luckman back in the team, but it's nudged away quite nicely. It is a wonderful playing surface, and that has raced across the floor.
Swing.
Up in the air, Rothman Powell settles underneath it and takes it. A little bit of movement again. Sterling goes cheaply. Luckman celebrates.
Sterling did go hard. Just not hard enough with that shot. Never looked like he was going to drop that. Was Captain Powell.
Joe Clark is a very good player.
Well, that's clever. Has he gone for 6 or 4? I think he's just dropped short. Here he goes again. That's a super length. It really is. If you want to hit the ball, that's a delivery. Nick, gone. He's got a wicket. Gone for 20, gets a wicket.
Yeah, come back from Lukman, and he's very excited. He's got the wicket, got the breakthrough for his team. He was looking good, but what a delivery. And the front foot was nowhere near the pitch of the ball. He's a medium pacer, play on the front foot, but not on this occasion.
Like that. Play a big shot, just like that. Into the bank. There's nobody there. Thank you, sir. Throw it back.
Brilliant. He said he wants to concentrate on his red ball cricket. And look at this. Right in his area, right in his slot. And massive 6 towards the square leg.
Oh, it's in the slot again. Stand and deliver. That's way, way back.
I think this is the biggest hit of this game so far. Medium pacer who has no experience, and Joe Clark is taking advantage all the way. He's on 49, one away from his 50. On just 23 deliveries. He's one of the biggest. 103 meters, Mumble. Big.
Oh, that's the big hit. Fair Play News biggest hit. $50 for Clark. 7 overs have been bowled. It's 65 for 2. Oh, huge appeal and gone. I've given that out from up here.
Yeah, you can't play him on a back foot. Is he going up? Let's have a look. Maybe inside edge, probably. But it looked dead from here. If there's no edge, he's gone up, Bumble. What do you think?
Oh, don't play back to that. Don't play back. There we are, middle and leg. Yeah, we thought so. Oh, another LBW, another one. I'm giving them out from up here. Easy.
This will give us a much better view. Nah, bad decision. We would have been more comfortable playing the regulation sweep shot. For that, not Abu Dhabi.
Big shot, high shot. Has he got enough on it? It's a long way out there. Oh, just. Rothman Powell, he saved that somehow. Bowled him. Don't play back.
We just showed you the economy rate of Adam Zampa. Again, tries to pitch that ball in an awkward length where the batter is unsure whether it's coming in, going straight, turning away.
That is another one. It looks like that is another one. As Sri Lanka is walking.
I think it's a variation. He dragged himself, and what a effort from behind the stumps by the wicket keeper. That's what happens when you keep a regular keeper. It's so important in any format. Part-time can never work. Maybe one-off games, yes, but not consistent.
He said that well enough. He can strike the ball, Akil Hussain.
Yeah, he walked towards off stump to cover his off stump.
Now you got to go far to get that back. That's the danger of Andre Russell. 15